Quick questions. It's fast,
Okay.
it's fun.
Oh, good one.
What path brought you to this coveted position?
I always tend to pour cold water on people who look at my career and say, it looks so nicely structured. And with some luck, and I think we all tend to underplay the role of luck and chance.
What are your other passions apart from economics?
You really want to see our children grow up stress-free, healthy, physically, mentally, etc. So it is an important passion.
Now, coming specifically to this West Asia war situation, how do you see that impacting India's energy security?
I think relatively speaking, we will still be better off than many nations thanks to the hard work we have done both pre-COVID and post-COVID.
Choosing a career path.
Cricket commentator or cricket umpire?